I'm Katie. I'm on ECU Women's Golf Team.
I'm Jacob. I'm on the men's golf team.
I'm Erica. I'm on the women's volleyball team.
Today we're going to make some chicken fajitas. The key to making some good fajitas is having the right taco seasoning or any kind of seasoning. Today we're going to be using taco seasoning. You can use really any kind of seasoning you like cumin or turmeric or just salt and pepper, anything like that. We have a pan over here with some olive oil heating up, and we're going to cook the chicken, saute the onions and peppers, and then heat up the tortillas, and that's fajitas right there. Let's do it.
Maybe you can make a muffin.
Yeah, here's some taco seasoning. We're just gonna throw it in there.
Jacob's pretty close to being done, so we threw some whole wheat tortillas in the microwave for 15 seconds. Bring them over.
And here we have all our sides. Today we're using cheese, lettuce, tomato, and you can use whatever you want. Add some sour cream, hot sauce, salsa, guacamole.
That's good, and then we can get some toppings on the top of that. That's it. Get off the chicken. Let's go.
What do you think?
Good. Thanks for watching. You can make these, it's really easy, and it's a great healthy meal. Go Pirates.